Download the app. Search for U-Box Pro in App Store or Google Play. Or scan the QR code in the manual to download it. Do not turn on the camera. Insert your memory card. Turn on the camera. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. When the indicator light is steady blue, start connecting camera. Open the app. All permissions are allowed. Register and log in your account. All permissions are allowed. Click the Add device. You can also use the app to scan the QR code on the camera to add the device. Click the live video. Please read the feature description carefully. You can turn on power saving mode while in pet walking mode to save power. However, the pet sitting mode has the longest battery life. You can use Find Pet in setting. Recording settings. Device notification. Video settings. Audio settings. General settings. Share the video with others. Firmware update. Color installation. The product also supports installation using your own pet harness mount. Thank you for watching.